and I look at your Instagram, you're cooking meat, right?
Yeah.
But for me, I'm thinking, how the hell does he get the meat like from top to bottom, like medium rare throughout? You know, like that's for me, that's more of a learn.
I can teach you, Sebastian. I can teach you. You know what the key is? Cooking it slowly. That's the key.
So you got like this grill or whatever.
It's a Traeger.
Yeah.
It's a pellet grill.
Pellet grill.
I'll get you one. You want one?
If it gets my meat the way it gets your meat,
one.
I would love one.
I'll have them send you one, 100%.
Perfect. But yeah.
They take the sawdust from sawmills and they compress it. And they make these little tiny pellets. And so there's no chemicals, no nothing. It's just wood. I'm trying to get more people to cook like this because it's just wood and fire. It's the best. There's no chemicals. There's no bullshit. No lighter fluid. No gas. No nothing. So I cook it from between 225 to 275 degrees, which is pretty low. And I'll cook it until it hits an internal temperature, depending upon what I'm cooking, somewhere around 120 to the maximum, like 130-ish. Then I take it out, and then I have a cast iron frying pan that's hot as a motherfucker. And I use either beef tallow or grass-fed butter. And then I sear the shit out of that with some garlic, and I throw some thyme in there and fucking flip it over and get that good sear. And then I let it sit for a minimum of 10 minutes. Slice that motherfucker.
Okay, so your meat is unbelievable. I've seen it on the.
Thank you. Be careful when you say that.
The Instagram.
Nice.
Bellissima.
Nice.